Welcome to NeoEnglish, a daily podcast for beginner learners, where new episodes are uploaded daily to help you speak about current events.
Today we talk about a news story in simple English. Gregg Wallace, a former MasterChef presenter, has launched legal action against the BBC.
First, a short summary. Gregg Wallace was removed from his TV role in July after a report said more than 40 allegations against him were upheld. Now he has started legal action, or a court case, against the BBC.
Let me explain the key facts more slowly. Wallace hosted MasterChef for 20 years, a long time. He stepped away from presenting after the report. His representatives were asked for comment, but we do not have a public statement from them yet.
The BBC says BBC News is editorially independent from the wider corporation. That means BBC News makes its own decisions about news, separate from other parts of the BBC.
Now we explain important words from the story. First word, sacked. In British English, sacked means fired, or told to leave a job.
Examples for sacked: 1. She was sacked after breaking company rules. 2. He was sacked from the shop for arriving late every day.
Next word, allegation. An allegation is a claim that someone did something wrong. It is not a proven fact yet.
Examples for allegation: 1. There were allegations of cheating in the test. 2. The police are checking allegations about the accident.
The word upheld is next. Upheld means a decision said the complaint or allegation was true or should be supported.
Examples for upheld: 1. The review upheld the complaint and the company changed the rule. 2. The judge upheld the earlier decision in court.
Now phrase, launched legal action. This means someone starts a legal process, such as a lawsuit, to seek justice or compensation.
Examples for launched legal action: 1. She launched legal action against the hotel after an injury. 2. The company launched legal action to protect its name.
Another phrase, stepped away. This means someone left a role temporarily or permanently.
Examples for stepped away: 1. He stepped away from the team to recover from illness. 2. She stepped away as manager after 10 years.
We also said editorially independent. This means the news part of a company has control over its news decisions, without outside orders.
Examples for editorially independent: 1. The local newspaper is editorially independent and chooses its own stories. 2. A public broadcaster can be editorially independent from its owners.
Now a short background to help you understand. Gregg Wallace was a well-known host on MasterChef for about 20 years. In July, a report investigated many complaints and it upheld more than 40 allegations. After the report, he left his TV role. Now he says he will take legal action against the BBC, asking the courts to look at the decision or seek a remedy.
The news mentions that Wallace's representatives have been approached for comment. That means reporters asked his team for a response, but we do not have that response yet.
To help you use the vocabulary, here is how to put these words in sentences. Use sacked or fired with a past verb, he was sacked. Use allegation with a count, an allegation, 2 allegations. Use launched legal action with an object, launched legal action against the BBC.
2 short practice sentences you can say aloud. 1. The company launched legal action after the problem. 2. She stepped away from her job to focus on health.
Before we finish, a recap of the vocabulary, useful phrases, and the story.
Vocabulary and phrases: sacked, fired, allegation, a claim of wrongdoing, upheld, decision found true, launched legal action, started a lawsuit, stepped away, left a role, editorially independent, news decides for itself.
How to use them: use sacked with past tense. Say one allegation or many allegations. Say a report upheld the accusations. Say someone launched legal action against someone. Say someone stepped away from a role. Say an organization is editorially independent.
The story in one sentence: Gregg Wallace, who hosted MasterChef for 20 years, was removed after a report upheld more than 40 allegations, and he has now launched legal action against the BBC while representatives have been asked for comment.
If you do not want to miss our daily news lessons, you can subscribe to NeoEnglish to get a new episode every day.
Thanks for listening to NeoEnglish. practice the new words, and we will see you tomorrow for another new story in simple English.